In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Netflix app in Windows. So first, in your PC, head over to the Start menu and open up Microsoft Store. Now here, simply look up for Netflix. Now from this app list, just click on Netflix to open it up. Then click on the Get button to start installing it. Once downloaded, you should be able to use the Netflix app on your Windows PC. Another way is by opening up your browser, then head over to netflix.com and from here click on the three dot icon at the top right. Then next is hover your mouse on Cast, Save and Share and here click on Create Shortcut. Then of course add a name for Netflix, then click on Create. And with that, you can easily have an access to Netflix on your Windows PC. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.